Hello friends, we are back again. Today we are going to make a special drink. Let's do it together. Let's get started. Peel the pineapple. Cut it to smaller pieces. Cut the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. The pineapple bark, we are going to boil it. The pineapple bark is boiling. Ready to be blended. Pineapple, ginger, cucumber, spinach, the water from the pineapple. Blend. Now, see. Add the lemon juice. Our drink is ready. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Thank you very much for watching. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and drink and look young. Bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.